I now have negative brain cells. It's like an obby or something. Where are you guys?
You just gotta wait for it.
I really hope this music is copyrighted because if I am gonna get sued.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bump you should fuck a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles in an hour. Little did you. Oh, I fuck with my broken truck. It seems you're out of love.
I don't like car
Who's
physics.
the driver?
Me.
Chrissy.
Get going.
There's like no one.
Oh, it's legitimately just Noel. I know a cat named Noel. I think I'm driver.
Why can't I be the driver?
Why am I always the driver?
Lockie was the driver.
I've been the driver twice in a row.
Someone joined.
It's not
Hold on.
inside of this castle thing. Why is the music different?
Chris, do you need some help?
Yes. Oh, I can just go through that building. I may be bad. I may just be bad.
I think you are.
Where is this last guy? Oh, I see you. I see you. Here. Wait, no. No! You juked me! No, the invisible. I am not gonna win this.
We have a minute left.
I did it.
Can you see me?
I really hope I'm not driver again.
I want to be driver. Driver's fun.
In this game, I used to have rules card and Bampton.
Oh, who am I? Oh wait, I'm the one guy.
We're the knight. You can run so fast.
Why are you guys running so fast?
Just
Hi, Lucky. You gotta press awaken.
What? Oh,
When you press awaken, you. Hi, Lucky.
Oh, I actually got that. I thought I could jump over the car. I cannot jump over the car.
Well, if you have a good jump, you can.
Not in that case, though. Okay.
Tackling me.
Ooh. Oof. I could get Chris and
Lucky,
then
are you
Chris
okay?
again. Okay, I'm saving up for Susie. I love Susie.
Lucky, have you given up? Look us in the eye. Have you given up?
I really tried that air.
You almost got me.
Midnight from from the hit game Hollow Knight.
I'm the knight from the hit game Hollow Knight.
I love Hollow.
Oh, yeah.
I've never played Hollow Knight. Should I buy Hollow Knight? I've played Silksong, but I haven't played Hollow Knight.
Yeah, you should play Hollow Knight.
I've played Silksong.
Yeah.
Silksong's really good.
No.
I suck at Hollow Knight.
I suck at Silksong, but it's really hard. So I'm justified in sucking.
My head is being executed.
Okay, guys, look who I am.
Driving in.
I'm on hard mode, guys.
Okay.
There's more people. Hell yeah.
So do I have just infinite dash, or do I have like a stamina bar?
Infinite dash, I think.
This is spooky dooky. I just got money. What in the hitbox? Wait. Oh my gosh, Bobette's here.
Is this a random person who's the car, or is this like...
It was me.
Are you in the car now, Lucky?
I'm selling.
He won't know. Yeah.
I swear there's supposed to be more than just one person left.
There's 2 people left.
But where is the other person? Oh, I can't go in there. Oh, I can go through the Christmas tree.
Yes, get the other one.
Why am I always in pain? I'm always in some sort of pain, and I don't know why.
Please, Lucky, I need this. Thank you.
Can we play something else?
I want to quickly try something.
I'm so mad at that hobby. Perks.
When can I be driver?
Never.
I need to
Chris
play.
want to play with the balls.
Does anybody
Guys, it's a special round. Oh, I don't want to be driver actually.
a special round?
It's Raziel.
Ew, I'm ugly.
He looks so stupid.
Who's the driver?
Not me.
What?
Not me.
Oh, it's me, guys. Double kill.
No, it's not.
Did you know? You're filmmaking it.
What's
My spot is the best. No one's ever gonna find me.
Where is your spot?
I'm in the dark fountain. Chris, don't get hit.
I died.
but she's dead.
Oh. I thought you're the one who's getting died right now.
Did they get you yet? Did you get got yet?
Nope.
They're probably gonna keep screaming, haka, haka, haka. Yeah.
Did you get got yet?
Jamal has the. Look how much money Jamal has, though.
Ding, 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 ding. Ooh,
Wow,
ooh.
that's a lot of money.
Jamal has a lot of money.
Driving in my car right after.
Damn it! Why does it have to be Spampton again?
I don't like Spampton.
Yeah, Spampton's good. And it's also a special round.
I don't like Spampton.
I do not like Spampton either.
And why am I like ugly?
Got like $5.
Oh.
Oh, it's this guy.
I'm stealing your hiding spot, by the way.
Which one are you in?
The one.
I'm in one. Chris, is this you?
Wait.
Is this you? Is this you, Chris?
No, this is not me.
Are you hiding in? Are you hiding in a fountain or not?
East.
Yeah,
Get good and come find me.
Get good.
I was in the wrong one.
Yeah, you were. Get good.
You're short.
Get good.
Get good.
Shaw.
I'm taller. You're short.
Oh, you so close. Open my camera.
I'm going to the rock so that they find the two people that are in the rock. Bait. Human sacrifice. Sacrifice.
I hate obbies with moving platforms.
I don't know where I'm running to.
I don't know where you're running to either. I'm into fountain.
Chris, you killed me.
Good. I'm into fountain.
Why is there a dog, Chris? Why can you play dog, Chris?
I don't know. I'm into fountain. He has not found me yet. I won.
I was so close to finishing the bloody obby.
Oof.
Chris, I have a really good character. Do you trust in me?
Sure, what's said character?
I'm Pirate. Where are you? I'm Pirate Man.
Cool.
Is
What
this
if you
you?
d-
This
I
is
have
me.
double dash,
Cool.
and I'm very fast. I have very good run.
Cool.
Who's drunk food? Warning, the drunk drive is good.
So,
So you're safe if you climb the pyramid.
You can't.
we can climb the pyramid.
That's stupid. Are there any sandball pits that you can hide in?
What in the hitbox? These hitboxes are
There's a hacker, by the
Ridiculous.
way.
These hitboxes are ridiculous.
I just watched someone fly over the entire obby.
Sigh. Susie is 50,000 and I only have 41,000.
Chris,
Yeah.
we're gonna make it through the hard obby.
We who?
How come they can fly? Are they a script kitty? Yeah, they're a script kitty.
Hacker.
Near. Miss. You have a job application.
Made up on be shaped like a deer. D-U-Y, how about you die? Go 100 miles.
Right, what?
Little did you know I filled up on gas. I'm a catch you felt making out. Pulverizes the loop with my Bergen truck. It's easy right along. I'm a dog, guys. Guys, I'm dog Chris. Where are you guys?
Oh look, it's me.
I'm dog
It's
Chris.
me. It's not me because I'm not from. I'm not Chris
I
from
can like
Delta.
go under the map.
I'm not Chris from Delta. Oh gosh, these
Right.
sands. Why are there two
Are we
of them?
going?
Why are there two of them?
Where's
Are we
Sam?
going up against the hacker here? Are they a hacker or?
There are two of
Oh,
them, and
there's
there's
two.
sands.
Wait, there's two. I was looking at one.
Come here. Save me.
Who do you think's gonna win? The drivers or the hacker?
Hacker.
Me.
Driving in my truck.
Why wouldn't it?
Hi, hacker.
That's so funny.
They're stuck.
What are the cars doing? Oh, I can see the lobby under the map.
Nice.
Jeez, they really are flying. They're above me somewhere.
This is bullshit.
Where are you guys? Are you guys alive?
Yes,
I'm
I'm alive. I'm not going to be for long, but I am now.
Chris, is this you?
This is me.
Chris,
What?
look.
Just down.
I can do it every 8 seconds.
So what?
No,
can you,
every 5 seconds actually.
Cooper, as a dog, what do you do?
What do you mean?
Like, what are your abilities as that dog?
I can dig, I can go under the map for like 3 seconds.
Well, I'm gonna join the group and get that crystal.
I have Susie. I'm so happy.
Deva, join community, view community, and join you guys.
Dog. Woof woof.
No, please don't play as the doggo.
Woof, is this you?
I am on Dibble.
Woof woof, if that's you. Guys, I have the best driver. I have the water tank.
I joined the group for Dog Chris. It's not letting me use them. Let me check if I actually.
I need at least
You
one
do.
hit, please.
Wait, Chris, were you going after me?
I almost got the guy. Oh, he ran directly under my tires.
I love the hacker just flying around. What happens if I dig while on the ice?
That was close.
Chris, I dug while.
360. 360 no scope. 360. Stop making noise. Come here. I got somebody.
How come we can't like this guy?
Ah. I'm gonna lose. It's easier when there are only two runners.
Chris, I'm 100 meters away from your location and what's the word? Getting closer rapidly or something.
I'm never gonna get those guys. Sigh.
Chris.
Sigh, 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 sigh. Yeah, I have
Oh yeah,
Susie.
this is a doggy.
Oh, Susie does not look good.
I am a dog.
Chris, you should buy someone so then we all know who we are.
I did. I am Susie.
You have Susie?
I have Susie.
Where are you? As in the character?
Yeah, I love Susie. I love Susie. She is like my favorite.
I hate Susie.
How could you? Susie is S tier.
Susie is F tier,
Susie's
D tier
amazing.
at best.
Susie is amazing.
Sure. You can believe whatever you want.
You had to hear me out on low pony, so don't even.
No, that was a joke.
I don't
You
believe
know that
you.
was a
I
joke.
don't believe you.
On my life, that was a joke. On my life, that was a joke. I promise you that was a joke.
Believe you, I do not.
I'm saying it on my life.
You better die.
Jesus Christ, I'm being serious.
He just killed me when I came up from the ground. That's not fair.
You do realize all of those were jokes.
Chris, do you take offense?
What? Take a what?
Can you take offense from him?
I want his fence. I'll take
I
his
said,
fence.
did you take offense?
I'll take his fence.
Offense.
Oh, just one of them? Just one of them? Okay.
Chris, are you Chris?
My name is Chris. I'm not Chris from Deltarune, though. I am Chris from not
But are you
Deltarune.
Chris?
Technically, yes. Technically speaking, my name is Chris. Why are you asking me these questions?
Chris, who was that? You'll hear me out again. Who was it?
Which one?
Yeah, which one? All of them.
Like ones that I want to marry IRL or just want. Why is that kind of pocket like that? That's how I walk IRL. Like the IRL hear me outs. Like I want to actually
I
marry
know
this
who you
character
want.
or like fictional hear me outs.
Chris, I know who you want.
I don't know
Oh,
what
you're
you said to
expressing
me.
that.
Chris, I know who your hear me out is.
Which one?
No, IRL.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait.
Yep.
Quiet with you. You shall
Do you
say
want me to
nothing.
tell?
No.
Oh, though. I've never seen those. I'm looking at the Jello. They look weird.
They are amazing. Just,
They do not look good.
they are amazing, and it's not Jello. That's it's Jello branded, but it's pudding. It's so yummy. It's so yummy nummies.
I'm rage baiting this person so badly.
Make a wall inside of the tree.
If there's a wall inside of the tree.
There should be a wall inside of the tree, but there isn't. One of these ice makers needs to make ice inside of the tree.
Can we play something else? Can we play something else? I
I want to consume, but my mom has not made consumption material.
I'm playing Dandy, but if you want, you can join. You have 5 seconds.
Okay,
Well,
cool.
Mel, you have 15 seconds if you want to join me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
It
8,
says you're not playing Dandy's World, so I can't even join you.
11, 12, 13,